Reputation is what people think about a company, brand, or individual, shaped by actions, behaviors, and the value they add to a community or market. This perception comes from a mix of factors like behavior and performance, reliability and ethics, and public perception. Since the 1980s, the idea of reputation has grown. Now, an online presence through reviews, star ratings, articles, videos, and social media plays a big part in how someone or something is seen. This digital footprint can impact business, revenue, and the ability to bounce back from reputational harm. To build and keep a good reputation, you need consistent good behavior, excellent performance, ethical practices, and positive publicity. It's a continuous journey that requires keeping an eye on how the public sees you and strategically building, fixing, and protecting your reputation. For instance, nearly all employers look at social media profiles before hiring, and most consumers trust companies with good online reputations. The stakes are really high. Did you know half of the people will Google someone before going on a date with them? Reputation can be economic, societal, institutional, or online. Each type has its own challenges and opportunities. Whether it's standing out in a crowded market, maintaining a good public image, or managing your online presence, understanding these differences is crucial. Character versus reputation is an interesting comparison. Character is about who you are on the inside, while reputation is how others see you. They're linked, as good behavior usually leads to a good reputation. It's all about building trust and credibility, whether for individuals or businesses. Risks to reputation can have real consequences. Legal issues, a gap between what people think and the reality, or external events can all damage how you're seen. Businesses need to close these gaps, stay aware of public opinion, ensure good communication within, listen to customers, comply with laws, manage online discussions, and practice good governance to protect their reputation. Reputation's impact on business is huge. It affects customer trust, sales, and how you stand out from competitors. A good reputation attracts quality employees and investors and helps you handle crises better. Managing your reputation involves monitoring reviews, engaging on social media, responding to feedback, and sometimes needing a plan for crises. It's about making sure your brand's experience is great for customers. If something goes wrong, repairing your reputation involves admitting faults, engaging in conversations to fix issues, managing false accusations, and taking actions like promoting positive content and engaging with customers. Building a positive reputation is about aligning your character with public perception. Be honest, follow through on commitments, stay active on social media, create content, and listen to feedback. It's about integrity, engagement, and respect. Services to improve reputation include online reputation management software and comprehensive management companies. They help track mentions online, manage reviews, handle crises, and push down negative content in search results. Whether managing reputation in-house or outsourcing, the right approach can greatly improve how you or your business is perceived online, leading to increased trust, credibility, and success.